always running out of stuff. Run to the supply store. So we're gonna block this thing down one more time, make another lap around it. We're gonna block it with 180 and get ready to prime it with 2K high build urethane primer, which should be the last primer we put on it. Should be ready to prep for paint after that. So our goal is to get the bed and the tailgate completely sanded this weekend. We should prime it tomorrow. And today we'll work our way around and try to maintain our sandpaper to blue can ratio and see how that works out for us. Y'all hang out. Okay, so a couple things real quick. When I'm blocking this, I don't know how it'll look in the video, but I pretty much stayed up high towards the body line. When I say up high, I'm talking about close to this body line. I did the top area right there. I did that area right below the body line. And I kind of worked my way down with that X pattern. And I came back and I got the lower part because it starts to transition. So as I block that lower part, I'm holding my block with my fingers so that I can hold it out just a little bit. Just to make sure that instead of following the slope down and not sanding, kind of losing contact with the surface, I actually pull it out. I'm over exaggerating right here, but I pull it out a little bit so that it maintains even contact with the surface all the way down. And I'm still using that X pattern back and forth. But you'll notice I'll work on this a little bit and then I'll make a longer stroke to blend it all together. So you're taking it down, blending together, taking it down, blending together as you work your way across. Okay, so where we get a lot of curve down here, our stiff block, it's somewhat flexible. It'll flex. It'll contour to some of the longer curves on the surface. But once you start getting compound curves and too much going on, too much angle, there's no give to this. Between the sandpaper and the wooden stick, it's not going to give at all. That's beneficial up here, but as we get into the curves, we need something that'll flex a little bit. So this is a foam block. It's got a little more give to it. So it'll help to flex and round out those edges and bring everything together. And in some places, we'll have to get a really soft block